Hi everyone, Andrea here from Next Tools Dev Team. Today we're going to create a simple payment customization to hide PayPal Express checkout from our checkout if a specific product is into our cart. So let's check the cart before our customization. As you can see, we have PayPal right here as a available payment option. But what we want to do is to hide PayPal if the cart contains a specific product that has a specific tag. In this example, we will use this product right here that has the tag accessory. So let's go back to SupaEasy and click on payment from the main screen and then select conditionally remove gateway. Then give the function a name, so hide PayPal for accessory products. This is just an example. Then we will select our cart qualifier, and then we will say that if cart has items greater than or equal to 1, and the item selector is product tag that does match accessory, for this example. So we are saying if the cart has at least one item from with this tag, what we want to do is hide everything that is called PayPal or PayPal Express checkout, and that's it. Now save our function and activate the function. Now reload our cart, and as you can see, PayPal now is not available as a payment option because in the cart we have the product that has the tag accessory. But let's try with another product that doesn't have this tag. For example, this. Remove the tag from this product right here. And then let's go back to the cart and put it into the cart. Checkout. Let's go to the payment section. As you can see, PayPal is not yet available because we still have this product with the tag accessory in the cart. Let's remove it from the cart. Let's go to the payment section. As you can see, the PayPal Express checkout option now is available because this product right here doesn't have the specified tag in our function. Let's check it out again, the function. As you can see, we can also say the inverse. So if cart has not items with the tag accessory, so we are saying the opposite. So we want to show the PayPal Express checkout option, payment option, only if the cart contains product from with the specified tag. So if we reload the cart now, PayPal disappeared. And if we put this product inside our cart, we will see that now the PayPal option is available. Thank you and see you in the next video.